Somo kod josayans bendo yangi ni nigi ting' konyo kedo gi lokruoge mago mag kor lwasi. Mayo yangi romo mokelo kanyakla jolony makamago ka gitwak e yore mag kedo gi lokruoge maricho mag kor lwasi. Giwacho ni weche nonro kod lony manyasani e yore mopogore biro konyo e kelo dongruok makare. Gikwayo bende mondo osirgi kod omenda mar konyo jiwo tijegi.
We also realize that a lot of MSMEs do not have sufficient capacity, both financially and also equipment, to actually produce the products. So we actually offer them what is known as incubation services and also common manufacturing facilities, whereby we allow them to come and use our facilities for fixed durations of time. Then they can actually be able to test the market. As they test the market, they can actually gain confidence to ensure that they can actually move out and sell their products in the market. In our relationship with Mount Kenya University, it's very critical. You realize Mount Kenya University, one of the key mandates, first of all, is to teach and also to do research. For us, it's to research and to commercialize. So you can see the pipeline which has to go through the thing. Research, converting the research into innovative ideas, and also commercialization. So we look at this as an auspicious occasion to actually work together with an institution, a prestigious institution like Mount Kenya University, to ensure that the research which comes out of these institutions can actually be converted into commercializable products for the society.
Trees are also being used for innovation. You have seen the soap, which the beauty soap that we have produced is from bamboo tree and aloe, and that's just the beginning. And with that one, we are hoping that we can be able to, it has already passed the KEBS test and the KIPI certification, and we as MKU are looking forward to testing the market and see how the market responds. And if the market responds well, we'll definitely put in some investments and give it a kickstart.